Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ulfat Sabriah. In this video, I will tell you about the legend of Sea Jangoi Island. Riau had a famous commander in the old days. The commander's name is Kal Commander. The Kal Commander is known to be intelligent, brave, and magical, and thus make Riau a safe haven from the pirates. One day, a pirate ship arrived in the port of Riau, and it was led by the Jangoi, a well-known and feared pirate in some part of Southeast Asia. The arrival of Jangoi at Riau was reported to the Kawal commander. After receiving the report, Kal commander intends to negotiate rather than wage a war because the Kal commander prepared to pursue peace. The Kal commander comes to see the Jangoi alone without a weapon. The commanding officer's arrival must leave the Jangoi boat surprised and amazed at the commander's courage. Jangoi took the commander to his seat and presented betel leaf, together with white chalk and betel nut. Jangoi meant to harm the commander with a poisonous betel leaf, but the officer guard now that the betel leaf is served as potion. The commander refused to eat the betel leaf, does not run out of his mind to present the bacteria in the betel box, which has been given a poisonous nail. The Kal commander smiles and eats the tray, and asks the Jangoi to eat together, leaving the Jangoi shocked and scared. The poison given by the Jangoi has no effect on the Kal commander, as the Jangoi acknowledge defeat and intends to retreat to effect and occupy Riau. The Jangoi and his men left Riau. Before sailing, the Jangoi tossed the leftovers into the sea and vowed never to return to Riau if the tray he had drowned. The Jangoi tossed back into the sea, never reviewed. The land of Riau returned safe, peaceful, and sound, but one day, word came that the Kal commander died. People are crying over the commander death. Upon hearing of the death of the war commander, the Jangoi returned to strike Riau. But suddenly the Jangoi fell ill, and Jangoi believed that his sickness was because he had broken his oath not to come again down. As no doctor could cure him, a miracle occurred when the body of the Jangoi drowned and an island emerged and was named Jangoi Island or Cuneiform Island. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.